गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं डॉक्टर कृष्णा मिश्रा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर जूलॉजी, सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान राजकीय महाविद्यालय अजमेर। आज आप सब लोगों के साथ क्रोमेटोग्राफी टॉपिक को डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ। यह टॉपिक पीजी सेमेस्टर 3 में ज़ूलॉजी के अंदर इंक्लूड किया गया है। व्हाट इज़ क्रोमेटोग्राफी? इट इज़ एन एनालिटिकल टेक्निक। क्रोमेटोग्राफी क्या होती है? एक एनालिटिकल टेक्निक होती है, कॉमनली विच इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द सेपरेटिंग अ मिक्सचर ऑफ केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस into its individual components so that the individual components can be thoroughly analyzed। तो इसमें मेनली क्या चीज़ है कि ये एक एनालिटिकल टेक्निक है और यह किसी भी केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस के जो मिक्सचर है उसको सेपरेट करने के काम में आती है, जिससे कि केमिकल सब्सटेंस जो है वो इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट्स के अंदर सेपरेट हो जाता है और इससे इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट्स को हम थॉरोली एनालाइज कर सकते हैं। The mixture it is dissolved in a fluid and this fluid it is known as mobile phase। यानी कि सबसे पहले मिक्सचर को एक फ्लूइड के अंदर वो किया जाता है, डिसॉल्व किया जाता है और ये जो फ्लूइड है वो क्रोमेटोग्राफी में मोबाइल फेज कहलाता है। दिस फ्लूइड इट कैरीज इट थ्रू अ सिस्टम विच मे बी कॉलम, कैपिलरी ट्यूब और अ प्लेट और अ शीट on which is fixed a material called the stationary phase। और फिर जब मिक्सचर किसी फ्लूइड के अंदर वो यानी कि मोबाइल फेज के अंदर जब डिसॉल्व कर लिया जाता है तो उसके बाद इसको एक सिस्टम के थ्रू जो है वो पास किया जाता है और यह जो जिस सिस्टम के थ्रू पास होता है उसका जो मटेरियल होता है उसको स्टेशनरी फेज कहते हैं। ये सिस्टम जो है वो एक कॉलम भी हो सकता है, कैपिलरी ट्यूब भी हो सकती है या कोई प्लेट हो सकती है या फिर कोई शीट हो सकती है। द डिफरेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ द मिक्सचर दे हैव डिफरेंट एफिनिटीज फॉर द स्टेशनरी फेज। द डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स स्टे longer or shorter on the stationary phase depending on their interaction with its surface site। यानी कि जो मिक्सचर के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं उनकी अलग अलग एफिनिटीज़ होती हैं और इन्हीं एफिनिटीज़ पर बेस्ड होकर के इन्हीं एफिनिटीज़ के कारण ये मॉलिक्यूल्स जो होते हैं वो जो स्टेशनरी फेज के ऊपर लंबे या छोटे समय के लिए जो है वो रह सकते हैं। ये डिपेंड करता है कि वो सरफेस के ऊपर किस तरीके से इंटरेक्शन करते हैं। सो दे ट्रैवल एट डिफरेंट एपरेंट वेलोसिटी इन द मोबाइल फ्लूइड causing them to the separation is based on the differential partitioning between the mobile and the stationary phase। Subtle difference in a compound's partition coefficient results in differential retention on the stationary phase and thus it affects the separation। The basis of chromatography is the partition or distribution coefficient which describes the way in which a compound distributes itself between two immiscible phases। For example, the concentration of a compound in two immiscible phases A and B, the value for this coefficient is a constant at a given temperature। So here we can see that concentration in phase A it is divided by total amount present in the other phase। So differential coefficient it is defined as the total amount of substance present in one phase divided by the total amount present in the another phase। The successful chromatographic separation of individual components present in a mixture it depends upon the selection of appropriate chromatographic methods followed by the optimization of experimental conditions associated with the separation। Chromatographic separation can be achieved by selecting a suitable method। There are many types of chromatography, for example liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, affinity chromatography, but all of these employ the same basic principle। Now we will come to the chromatography which can be preparative or analytical. The purpose of preparative chromatography is to separate the components of a mixture for later use and is thus a form of purification. Analytical chromatography is done normally with smaller amounts of material and is for establishing the presence or measuring the relative proportions of analytes in a mixture. यानी कि प्रिपरेटिव जो होती है वो बाद में किसी मतलब एक मिक्सचर जो होता है उसका प्रिपरेशन किया जाता है और वो बाद में यूज़ होती है, एक तरह का प्योरीफिकेशन के काम में आती है। जबकि एनालिटिकल जो होती है वो किसी भी मिक्सचर के अंदर जो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं उनको एनालिसिस के लिए यूज़ होती है। These two are not mutually exclusive. Chromatography word is derived from Greek chroma, which means color, and graphein, which means to write. The combination of these two terms was directly inherited from the invention of the technique which was first used to separate pigments. Now we will come to the history of chromatography. यदि हम इसका हिस्ट्री पार्ट पे जाते हैं तो बहुत से साइंटिस्ट ने क्रोमेटोग्राफी पर काम किया और सबसे पहले क्रोमेटोग्राफी वाज फर्स्ट डिवाइस्ड बाय द रशिया बाय द इटालियन बोर्न साइंटिस्ट मिखाइल स्वीट इन 1900. He developed the technique. He coined chromatography in the first decades of the 20th century, primarily for the separation of plant pigments such as chlorophylls, carotenes and xanthophylls. Since these components separate in band of different colors, green, orange or yellow respectively, they directly inspired the name of technique. New types of chromatography developed during 1930s and 1940s made the technique useful for many separation processes. During 1940s and 50s, John Porter Martin and Richard Leorian Millington Singh won the 1952 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their significant contribution in chromatography. They established the principle and basic techniques of partition chromatography, and their work encouraged the rapid development of several chromatographic methods like paper chromatography, gas chromatography, HPLC. Since then, the technology has advanced rapidly. Now, what are the basic terms of chromatography? The first we will come to with the analyte. What is analyte? The substance to be separated during the chromatography. It is also normally what is needed from the mixture. Second is analytical chromatography, the use of chromatography to determine the existence and possibly also the concentration of analytes in a sample. Now, bonded phase, a stationary phase that is covalently bonded to the support particles or to the inside wall of the column tubing. Next is chromatograph or aerograph, an instrument that enables a sophisticated separation, example gas chromatographic or liquid chromatographic separation. Eluent. What is eluent? Eluent, it is the solvent or solvent mixture which is used in elution chromatography and is synonymous with the mobile phase. Eluate, the mixture of solute and solvent existing the column. Next is effluent, the stream flowing out of a chromatographic column. In practice, it is used synonymously with eluate, but the term more precisely refers to the stream independent of separation taking place. Next is eluite, a more precise term for solute or analyte. It is a sample component leaving the chromatographic column. Now, allotropic series, a list of solvents ranked according to their eluting power. Next is immobilized phase, a stationary phase that is immobilized on the support particles or on the inner wall of column tubing. Next one is important, mobile phase, the phase that moves in a definite direction. It may be a liquid or it may be a gas or a supercritical fluid. सुपर क्रिटिकल फ्लूइड क्रोमेटोग्राफी में यूज़ होता है ये। द मोबाइल फेज कंसिस्ट ऑफ सैंपल being separated or analyzed and the solvent that moves the sample through the column. In the case of HPLC, the mobile phase consists of a non-polar solvents such as hexane in normal phase and a polar solvent such as methanol in reverse phase chromatography, and the sample being separated. The mobile phase moves through the chromatographic column, the stationary phase where the sample interacts with the stationary phase and it is separated. Preparative chromatography, जैसा कि अभी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, this type of chromatography it is used to purify sufficient quantity of a substance for further use rather than analysis. Then retention time, the characteristic time it takes for a particular analyte to pass through the system from the column inlet to the detector under set conditions. Then sample, the matter which is analyzed in chromatography, it may consist of a single component or it may be a mixture of components. When the sample is treated in the course of an analysis, the phase or the phases containing the analytes of interest is referred to as the sample, whereas everything out of interest separated from the sample before or in the course of analysis is referred to as waste. Solute, the sample components in partition chromatography, this is known as solute. Solvent, any substance which is capable of solubilizing another substance, and especially the liquid mobile phase in liquid chromatography. Stationary phase, the substance fixed in a place for chromatography procedure. Example include the silica layers in thin layer chromatography. Next is detectors. The instruments used for qualitative and quantitative detection of analytes after separation is known as detector. So it was all about introduction of chromatography. Next, detailing with various types of chromatography we will start in our next presentation. Thank you.